please subscribe the channel. Students, today we discuss about the problem set of the chapter 4 Financial Planning of Mathematics first 10 standard. Now this problem set 4a. The first question is, write the correct alternative for each of the following. First one is, rate of GST on essential commodities is. Essential commodities. Commodities means शेतमाल. Is how much? Now student, here is on this essential commodities there is 0%. Mean that answer is C, 0%. शेतमालावरती 0% GST. Then second one is, the tax levied by the central government for trading within state is. Tax levied by the central government for trading within state is how much? CGST. Within state, the central government central good service tax here within state. Mean that answer is B, CGST. Then GST system was introduced in our country from. Now student, this is from 1st July 2017. I have to write this one also. Answer is D, is 1st July 2017. Now student, next one is the rate of GST on stainless steel utensil is 18%. Then the rate of the state GST is. Now student, stainless steel utensils म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो भांडी, स्टीलची भांडी, utensils भांडी 18%. Then the rate of state GST is. Now here is option is 18%, 9%, 36% and 0.9%. So that its answer is 9% because it is half of it. Means the rate of GST on stainless steel utensil is 18%. Then the rate of state GST means that yes, GST is equals to its half. Means that B, means that. Now look here, CGST and SGST. Now state good service tax here, SGST is half of GST, so that half of it is 9%. In the format of GST IN, there are dash alpha numericals. Now student, there are how many alpha numericals? There are 15 alpha numericals here. Then when a registered dealer sells goods to another registered dealer, dealer to dealer under GST, then this trading is termed as B2B. This is B2B. B2B means here is business to business. Means B is equals to B2B. Okay, we take the next question. The next question is question 2. A dealer gave 10% discount on a showpiece of 25,000 rupees. GST of 28% was charged on the discounted price. Find the total amount shown in the tax invoice. What is the amount of CGST and SGST? Now here is 28% charge on the discounted price here. Now discount on this is 10%. Now its solution is discount 10%. Discount 10% of rupees 25,000. First we have to find out here is equals to 10 upon 100 into 25,000 is equals to these two zero get. This one and this one get cancelled. Mean that rupees how much? 2,500 is the discount here. Therefore, we have to find out here taxable value. Is equals to, here is, we have to subtract this value, discount from this value mean that rupees 25,000 minus rupees 2,500. This is so simple. Directly you have to write here rupees how much? 22,500 rupees. Then rate of GST is given how much? 28%. 28%. Therefore, GST here is equals to 28% of this 22,500, means that 28 upon 100 into 22,500. Now we have to simplify this. 20 get cancel. 28 5s are 140, carry is 14. 28 2s are 56. 56 plus 14 becomes 70, carry 7. 28 2s are 56 plus this 7 becomes 63. Means that this is rupees 6,300 is the GST here. Now student, then here is find the total amount shown in the tax invoice, and then mean the total amount we have to find out here also, and therefore first we have to find out the total amount in the tax invoice. Mean that the total amount shown in tax invoice is equals to, now here is taxable value is given, formula is taxable value plus GST. Here is taxable value is 22,500 and plus GST is 6,300. Then addition becomes 0, 0, 8, 8, these two. Means that 28,800 is the total amount shown in the tax invoice. In tax invoice, what is the amount of CGST and HGST? Student, all of you know that CGST and HGST half of this GST, so that there is rate of GST is 28%. Then CGST is equals to HGST is equals to how much? 14%. Now here is GST is calculated here rupees 6,300. Therefore CGST is equals to HGST is equals to half of the GST is equals to half of 6,300. When we simplify it, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 carry 2 5s are and 0. Mean that therefore CGST is equals to rupees 3,150 and HGST is also rupees 3,150. Therefore the answer in full sentence, answer here is the total amount in the tax invoice. The total amount in the tax invoice is how much? 28,800, comma CGST is equals to rupees 3,150 and HGST is equals to rupees 3,150. Okay, we take the next question. Next question, question number 3 is that a ready-made garment shopkeeper give 5% discount on the dress of rupees 1,000 and charges 5% GST on the remaining amount. Then what is the purchase price of the dress for the customer? Now student, first here is discount is given, how much? 5%, its solution is discount 5% of rupees 1000 is equals to 5 upon 100 into 1000. These two zero get cancelled. 10 5 is how much? 50 rupees discount here. Therefore, first we have to find out the taxable value here. Therefore, taxable value is equals to total value is 1000 rupees. You have to subtract this 50 rupees because this is discount. Means that rupees how much? 950. Okay. Then here is rate of GST charges here. Means that rate of GST 5%. Therefore, GST first we have to find out GST is equals to 5% of how much? 950. This one zero get cancelled. Means that 5 into 9.5 we have to divide it by 10. Then it becomes rupees 5 5 25 carries 2. 5 9 45 plus 2 is 47. After one digit there is decimal point. Means that 47 rupees 5 means that 50 paise. This is the GST. Therefore, purchase price for the customer means that purchase price for the customer is equals to, we have to add this value in this taxable value, means that taxable value plus GST. This taxable value is rupees 950 plus the GST is 47.50. Means that total rupees is, this one is 50 as it is, then 7 9 and this 9. Means that the answer in full sentence. Therefore, the purchase price for the customer is rupees 997.50 paise. Okay, we take next question. Okay, the next question, question number 4 is, a trader from Surat, Gujarat sold cotton cloths of the trader in Rajkot, which is also in Gujarat. The taxable value of cotton cloths is rupees 2.5 lakh. What is the amount of GST at 5% paid by trader in Rajkot, only in Rajkot? Now its solution is, here is the taxable value of cotton cloths is value of the cotton cloths is equals to rupees 2.5 lakh is equals to rupees 2.5 lakh, means that 2,50,000. Means here is rate of GST is given. Rate of GST is equals to 5%. Therefore, GST is equals to 5% of how much? 2,50,000 is equals to, these two zero get cancelled. This 2 0 as it is, 5 5 is 25 carries 2, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Means that this is rupees 12,500. This is the GST paid by the trader in Rajkot. Therefore, the trader in Rajkot, answer in full sentence. Answer, the trader in Rajkot paid rupees 12,500 as GST. Okay, we take next example. Question number 5. Srimati Malhotra purchased solar panels for the taxable value of rupees 85,000. Now here is purchase price. Here 85,000. She sold them for 90,000. The rate of GST is 5%. Find the ITC of Srimati Malhotra and what is the amount of GST payable by her. So simple question, solution. Now student, here is purchasing price 85,000 and selling price is 90,000. So first I have to find out the output tax here. Therefore output tax, that is the tax collected. Output tax means that tax collected at the time of sale, at the sale, is equals to how much? 5%. 5% of 90,000 means that 5 upon 100 into 90,000. These two zero get cancelled. 9 5s are 45 and this 0 as it is. Means that output tax is rupees 4,500. Then input tax. Input tax means that tax paid. Tax paid at the time of purchase. This is also how much? 5%. Means that 5% of 85,000. Means that 5 upon 100 into 85,000. These two zero get cancelled. Is equals to rupees 0 as it is. 5 5 is a 25, carries 2. 5 is a 40. 40 plus 2 is becomes 40. 4,250 is the input tax here. Now student, ITC. Where is ITC means input tax. Therefore ITC is equals to input tax. And the input tax is how much? Rupees 4,250. This is ITC for Srimati Malhotra. Then you have to find out what is the amount of GST payable by her. Therefore the formula is for GST payable is equals to output tax minus input tax, which is ITC, is equals to rupees 4,500 minus rupees 4,200 is equals to rupees, this is so simple one, is 250. Therefore answering full sentence, ITC is rupees 4,250 and amount of GST payable by Srimati Malhotra is rupees 250. Okay, we take the next question. The next question is question number 6. A company provides health security service for the taxable value of rupees 64,500. The rate of GST is 18%. Company had paid GST of rupees 1,550 for laundry services and the uniforms, etc. What is the amount of ITC? In that input tax credit here, and find the amount of CGST and HGST payable by the company. So simple question, its solution is company paid GST of rupees how much? 1,550 for laundry services and uniforms, etc. Therefore this is input tax credit, means that ITC is equals to rupees 1,550. Now student, then output tax of the company we have to first find out here. This amount is 64,500. Means 18 upon 100 into 64,500. These two zero get cancelled. Then 18 5s are 90, carries 9. 18 4s are 72 plus 9 is equals to how much? 81, carries 8. 18 6s are 108 plus 8 becomes 116. Means that this is amount is 11,610 rupees here. This is output tax of the company. Therefore, payable GST means that GST payable is equals to, here is output tax minus ITC. Means that output tax is 11,610 rupees minus this ITC is how much? 1,550 rupees. Now when we have to subtract here, this 0 as it is, then from this 11 we have to subtract this 5. 11 minus 5 becomes 6. Then it is 5. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Then here is 1 minus 1 becomes 0 and 1 as it is. Means that rupees how much? 10,060. Therefore, this is GST. We have to find out CGST and HGST. Means that CGST is equals to HGST is equals to half of this GST. Means that half of 10,060 rupees. Means that 2 5s are 0 3 0. Means that rupees how much? 5,030. Therefore, the answer in full sentence. Answer. Here is we have to find out here amount. What is the amount of ITC? So amount of ITC is equals to rupees 1,550. Then CGST is equals to rupees 5,030 and HGST is also rupees 5,030. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the next question. Next question, question number 7 is a dealer supplied walkie-talkie set of rupees 84,000 with GST to police control room. Rate of GST is 12%. Find the amount of state and central GST charged by the dealer. Also find the taxable value of the sale. Now student, its solution is the rate of GST is equals to how much? 12%. Now student, if the taxable value of the walkie-talkie set is 100 rupees, at that time the total value is 112. That is, therefore, if the taxable value of walkie-talkie set is rupees 100, then the total value is equals to rupees 100 plus this rupees 12. This is the GST. Mean that is equals to rupees how much? 112. Then let the total value of the walkie-talkie be X rupees. Let the total value of the walkie-talkie be rupees X. We know that. Then the ratio, which one is this 100 upon this 112 is equals to X upon this total value is how much? 84,000. Then by cross multiplication we get here X is equals to, I will directly take here 84,000 into this 100 upon this 112. Now we can simplify simplify by using here 4. 4 2s are 8, carries 3, 4 8s are, then 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 0 0 0, then again 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are mean that 3000. Then I have to directly simplify here 4 into this 4 7s are 28, carries 2, 24 5s and 4 0. 750 into 100 means rupees 750 and the 0 as it is mean that 75,000. This is the total value of the walkie-talkie. Now then we have to find out here GST. Now here is the walkie-talkie set with GST is given here, so that we have to find out GST such way that is equals to from this 84,000 we have to subtract the price of this walkie-talkie mean that 75,000. Therefore GST payable is equals to, this becomes so simple, this is rupees 9,000. This is GST. Then also find the taxable values and central GST and state GST also. Here is yes, mean that CGST is equals to GST is equals to half of this GST. Mean that half of this 9,000. Then this becomes rupees 4,500. So that the answer in full sentence, the state and the central GST is answer here. CGST is equals to rupees 4,500. Here GST is also rupees 4,500. Then this is the taxable value. Taxable value is how much? 75,000 rupees. The taxable value of the set is the taxable because student this amount is the amount with GST, so that the taxable value is only 75,000 because GST is how much? 9,000. Means this is our question number 7. Thank you very much for watching the videos.